Oh, surprise! Hey, my name is Jan and I help people feel less alone. And right now I'm focusing a lot on teaching other people who lead groups, facilitators, trainers, group coaches on how to create super amazing, engaging virtual experiences. So people forget that they're looking at the screen and they just feel so connected to each other. And when I thought about creating this testimonial for Ecamm, I actually applied a couple of things that I used in my TEDx talk as well, trying to show you the features and tell a little story. So when I first heard of Ecamm, I was still using my built-in webcam and I thought, man, I have all of this video gear lying around. I used to run a video marketing agency. Why not find a way to connect my DSLR camera as a webcam? And that's when I tried all of these weird dongles and thingies and it just never worked. And as soon as I downloaded Ecamm, boom, right away I plugged in my camera and it worked and it looked great. I got so many compliments about how professional my setup is since I started using it. And then I started thinking, okay, now that I'm running this program, how else can I use it to create some more engaging virtual experiences? So I thought, okay, let me experiment with sharing my slides in a different way where I can be in a circle rather than being stuck in the top corner really small. And what if I want to show my presentation slides but still be engaging with my participants a bit more? Well, I set up this way so I can actually take up almost the full height of the screen and people can still see the important text on the slides. And then I thought, well, what if I add a couple of slides into my Ecamm that I can access by just one click? Things that I need a lot because I spend a lot of time on Zoom of like, how do you join these breakout rooms? And then I thought, well, why not also start drawing out some things on my iPad and connect that as well? So that way, the way my participants are learning is very different. So as you can see, there's lots of ways I started using Ecamm, and I'm now at a point where I've figured out all the tech so I can actually focus on being present with my participants. I can focus on telling my stories, on engaging with my audience, and that's saving me a bunch of time. And then of course, I had an idea. I thought, what if I could create some animated elements that I load up in my Ecamm and I can use to make my presentations, my workshops, my trainings even more engaging. So I started experimenting with this because, to be honest, when you are facilitating online and you ask a question to your participants, sometimes it takes a really long time for them to answer it. So why not add these animated effects to, I don't know, gamify a couple things, build excitement for who has the correct answer and who has the wrong answer, so we can just celebrate more together. And the amazing thing that happened is that I felt that I was facilitating way more connections for my participants, and Ecamm really made this possible. So thank you for creating this, and I'll be running Ecamm probably for the foreseeable future every single day, because this little square box is where right now I spend most of my time. All right, I'm just gonna do this mic drop because, not that I said something really important, just because I want to show off this effect. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and yeah, go download Ecamm. Changed my life.